Hello guys, it's Bobby Hester from Hopkinsville, Kentucky, and today I'm going to be putting on the Canadian-made mud flaps in place of the US-made mud flaps. The US mud flaps are very small, and the Canadian-made mud flaps are bigger. I have the medium-size ones. They also have a larger size, but I believe the medium size is going to be perfect for my truck that has the normal size wheels and tires that came on the truck. So I'll show you the details. Here's the American made mud flaps, and you can see that there's quite a bit of tire still exposed outside of the mud flap. Now, on my truck, I installed the TRD running boards, and I did that mainly to keep any kind of rock dings from hitting the side of the truck. You can see that they stick out a pretty good ways and help keep any kind of sling up from the tires off of the truck. And here's the back one. You can see it still likes a ways to come out and cover the width of the tire. These are the standard TRD wheels and tires that came on my truck. They're the general grabber tires. So that's what the current ones look like. And here are the Canadian made versions. And this is the medium size. They also make a size that's a little bit larger. I'll be sure to put the part numbers for the Canadian mud flaps, both sizes, on this video when I process it on the computer. There's 10 millimeter bolts that hold the mud flaps on, and they're right here. There's two there, and there's one on the inside, and there's one up underneath right there. So we'll be taking those off and put the new ones on. Okay guys, I took the US made small mud flaps and laid them over the top of the new medium size Canadian mud flaps to show you what the difference is. There's the rear one, and there's the front one. So you can see it's not a whole lot of difference, but I believe it's going to be just enough to help keep stuff from getting slinged up on the side of the truck. So let's get them installed. I got the new mud flaps installed, so let's take a look at them. Here's the front mud flap. And here's the rear mud flap. You can see that the rear mud flap covers quite a bit more than the original one did. The front one covers a little more, but it's still angled in just a little bit, so it does allow part of the wheel to stick out, part of the tire to stick out. But you can tell it's a whole lot better than the original ones were.